Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the fire is fully out and the metal is cool, safety first. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection so you can touch the mesh safely. Inspect the top rail to see if clips or screws hold the curtain. This matters because center pole models use a different release than side-mounted ones. Make sure you have a flashlight and flat screwdriver in hand. You'll need these for the initial pry and to read any mounting hardware before you unhook anything. You now unhook the mesh. If clips secure the top rail, wedge the flat screwdriver under one clip and pry gently to release tension. If screws are present, loosen them just enough to free the bracket. As you release, support the mesh with your other hand to prevent the curtain from folding or bending, which could damage the frame. Once the top is free, lower the center a little, then work outward to detach anchors on each side. This staged approach keeps the mesh controlled and avoids sudden drops. You finish by lifting the curtain up slightly to clear the bottom track, then tilt it out at a shallow angle and remove it from the opening. Once free, lay it flat or roll it for storage, and check hooks, clips, and the frame for bends or rust so you can repair before reinstalling. If something won't budge, apply a penetrating spray to screw threads or tap stubborn clips gently with a rubber mallet. Make sure to recheck alignment before reinstalling to avoid binding next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.